Okay, today we're going to do the slope of a line. It's the ratio of the difference in the y-coordinates to the corresponding difference in the x-coordinates. It's an equation. M is slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is the change in y over the change in x. That's why we subtract the two ordered pairs. So to find slope, you pick any two ordered pairs on the line. So they have picked -1, -1, and 2, 3. Doesn't matter which two you pick. One of them is going to be x1, y1. The other one is x2, y2. And then you're going to plug these numbers into the formula. So y2 is 3. Then we subtract y1, which is -1. x2 is 2. We subtract x1, which is -1. And then minus a negative gives us a +1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus a negative gives us a +1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Our slope is 4/3, and we leave it just like that, an improper fraction. Okay, on the next one, they pick the ordered pair 1, 4, 3, -2. This is going to be my x1, y1, x2, y2. Doesn't matter which one I pick, what ordered pair, I can pick any of them. Plug it into the formula, -2 minus 4, 3 minus 1, and then when we simplify that, we get -6 divided by 2, which simplifies to be -3. So here are our points. We just need to pick one to be the first one. I'm just going to say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. We're going to use the formula slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 is 4 minus y1 is 1 divided by x2 is 3 minus 0. When I simplify this, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 3 over 3 simplifies to be 1. Okay, number 2, x1, y1, x2, y2. When I substitute this in, y2 is 2 minus y1, which is a -2. x2 is 3 minus y1 is 1. Minus a negative gives me a +2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my slope is 2. I'm just going to pick any 2 points, plug them into the formula. That's going to give me my slope of my line. Let's look at number 6. x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to plug in y2, which is 4, minus y1, which is 4, x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is -4. 4 minus 4 is 0, and then minus a negative is +4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 divided by 0 is 0. Okay, because my numerator is a 0, it's going to make my slope of 0. If my denominator was a 0, okay, then the slope would be undefined. We can't divide by 0. So that makes the slope undefined. If we're dividing by 0, the slope would be undefined. Okay, let's look on the back. This practice page is the same thing. They've given you 2 points. You use that equation, you find the slope. On this page, they've given us a graph. They've even given us points, so we're going to use the points that they've given us. So I'm going to use -2, -1, as one of my points, and I'm going to use +3. +1 is my other point. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. When I put that in my formula, Y2 is 1, minus Y1 is minus a -1. X2 is 3, minus a -2. When I simplify this, minus a negative is plus. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus a negative is a +2. 3 plus 2 is 5. My slope is 2/5. So the same thing as the front. It's just we need to we need to make the ordered pair that goes with the points first. Okay, down here, they've given you 4 points. You can use any 2 of those 4 points. It doesn't matter. Any of them for your X1, Y1, and your X2, Y2.
Yep.
And then you're going to graph it on these. And this page is like the other page. You're going to find the slope. This one has ordered pairs. This one goes to the word problem.